Hi everyone. So we had the same problem with our TV, that is the 46-inch TV Samsung. It's a 10-year-old TV and it was not turning on. It is having the same clicking sounds continuously. It started with it would turn on in couple of minutes, then it went on to up to like 15 minutes, and then all of a sudden obviously it stopped working. So I looked at some of the videos and seems like too many people had the similar kind of problem. So I found some videos and the instructions were really helpful, but there were some differences. So I thought I'll create my own video. I have already done some work with the help of my two helpers here. We are doing over the weekend here, so they can they can have some fun fixing this. The model that we are working with is LN46A650A1F, as you can see here, and we have already taken out the stand, and I would say that was one of the most challenging part, because it's a 10-year-old TV. So we had to take out these 4 screws off from here. Once we took it out, it was much easier. It came out. However, in the process we did see some of the backings of the screw, the plastic casing that broke, and then after that we had to take out all the screws around it. There were 16 or so screws around it that we took out, and there were 2 main screws over here in between in the panel here, one over here and then the second one here. And if you can see that these are marked with the arrows, so definitely these have to come out. And then there are 4 wall mount screws that need to come out as well. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, these are the big ones. These are the easy ones to take it out. Once you take it out, then we can see then you can pull out the cover. So Anish, you can pull out the cover now. Okay, so once we do that, let's remove the cover. Hold it.
Okay.
So once the cover is out, you can see, and this is where some of the differences were. Obviously all this power supply and the electronics behind this casing, so we had to take out some of these screws here. So there were 3 screws over here, 1, 2, 3, that we already took out. There were 2 screws over here at the bottom, and then 3 screws, actually 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we took those screws out, and now this panel can come out as well. So Anish, if you before we take out these panels, actually we do have to take out all these covers that were there. So we have to take out these, and now you can see the power supply here. And as you can see here, this is the one, these are the 2 the capacitors. These are the 2 capacitors that are blown up. You can see these are a little bit swollen, as well as they are they have a little bit of a black mark on these as compared to these 2 here. So what we end up doing is we had again screws on the corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we took out those screws, and now this particular panel comes out. And again, you have to take out all these different connectors that were there, and they are fairly unique, so you will not be able to mess it up in the sense that you don't have to remember too much, except for the ones that is here, that is this is going on the left and right. So again, the left goes on the left, right goes on the right, so no issues. Okay, so once you see this, now these capacitors are actually 25 volt, 105 degrees centigrade and 1000 μF. So we have to go and get it. We do not have it, obviously. We do not even have a soldering iron at this point, so we are ordering those parts. Once they arrive, we will create a second video. Okay, so we got the soldering iron and the whole kit, basically trying to unmount this capacitor. I'm holding the soldering iron after, like, I don't know, maybe 15 years. see if it wiggles out. Not really. It's still pretty tight. Let's see. Seems like it's almost there, just not that much cooperating. Okay. Okay, there it is. You can stop now. Okay, so we took out the two broken ones, or the bad ones. Anika, can you give me the capacitor, the new one?
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And let's put it. So here it goes. The okay, so I found it easier. You just turn it this way, and then okay. Let's bring the start ring. I already put one. I forgot to start the video on the number one, but let's try this one. Okay, seems to be done. Let's just try to make sure this is firmly in. Yep. Now we can put the extra layers.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry I made some noise.
That's okay. Okay, that's the only one problem. So I know this is third one is here, fourth one will get somewhere. We'll figure out.
Dada, can you give me that pencil?
Okay, here you go.
I'll put it downstairs because it's mine.
So I think that's it. It's done, right? Because let's bring this closer so we can see the soldering. This is where it's done. Let's go with this is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and it seems to be clean, not looking anything touching with anything else, so we seems to be in good shape.
Love you, Mom.
Okay, so how many screws did you put back?
We put 6 screws back.
Okay, Nish, you can pause it. Count how many screws you have, Anika, over there.
1, 2.
So let's keep
3,
putting these panels back
4,
and keep
5,
screwing them.
6, 7, 8. 8 screws.
8 screws. You can pause it, Anish. Okay, so everything is back, assembled, plugged in. Let's do the test. Actually, I did a little bit cheating in the sense that I already tested it a couple of times while putting things back. So let's turn it on, and I hooked up the Chromecast. So no clicking sound. Okay, HDMI 4, Chromecast is coming up. Okay, I mean it's on. I don't know why it's not connecting to the network. Okay, so at least you can see this is working. So thank you everyone who posted before me to show the solution to this problem, and thank you to my helpers.